Hey everyone, this is Ricardo. I'm at Brazilian Steakhouse in Alberta, Canada. And I just wanted to share with you a few things as I'm doing a meat training program with some of my employees here that I would like to share with you. Check this out. So today we're basically doing beef preparation, and I just wanted to mention the importance of keeping, when we skewer a meat, it has to be balanced. What do I mean by balanced? Is that the space that I have between the skewer and one of the edges of the meat needs necessarily to be the same as that one, which is not happening in this case on purpose so that I can show it. Okay, now if we go on to the next one over here, we can see that it's pretty parallel. The skewer is running right in the center of the meat, keeping same distances beside it. And why is that important? Well, check this out. Let's say let's focus on this guy here. I'm gonna remove this one. And I'll put this skewer here and this one over here. Look, I have about 2 inches spacing between here, but not there. Notice that the fat's touching it. And what's the issue with that? Well, it's gotta be balanced. Now, if this guy was to be on the top and we're talking about a gas grill, this piece here would be overburned in relation to this one because we have a closer spot to the heat elements on the top, whereas this one, not. Another consequence of that is I could never be able, and this is just regardless if they're centered or not, I cannot put 2 top sirloins to spin one beside the other because they will touch. What I do instead, I can go ahead, so this one here is centered, the other one was not. Let's play around here. What I could do, so this one here is garlic steak. I could have one of a garlic steak to separate them, and then I could have another top sirloin beside it because now they're not touching. If I was to put another bigger cut such as the rump steak, they will also touch. And while the meat's really raw, it will start detaching the rump muscle from the top sirloin through its seam because they'll be rubbing one against the other. So to solve that, you want to go with smaller portions of meat. So you could have another garlic steak or baby rump steaks over here maybe. So yeah, just wanted to share how important, and it's not only like there is a reason behind keeping it nice and centered. There's a reason why. These are just some of the examples.